don't even know which one is sweeter than the other. You gotta try it, you gotta give it a trial. Store them in the fridge and drink them cool. Hello guys, welcome back. How y'all doing? If you are a returning subby, thank you so much. Bless your soul for coming back here. If you just joining this channel, thank you so much. Welcome so much. Guys, please remember, if you're not subscribed, click the red button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So today I will bring you guys two of the most amazing green smoothies that will keep you away from the doctor. This is the season for smoothing. You smooth, you get stronger, and you boost up your immune system, and also you can curb up the fat around your midsection. So today the first smoothie we're going to do will be made. Everything here is clean and washed. So the first smoothie will be made with cucumber. Cucumber is an excellent hydrator. It will hydrate your skin and help to curb up all the fat and help to build up your elasticity in your skin, tighten up your skin. Now, green apple or any form of apple. Do you guys know the saying that says that one apple a day keeps you away from the doctor? So this is not only going to keep you away from the doctor, it is also going to fill you up and fight the diseases that you have. And also avocado. Yes, I eat at least half avocado every day. I love the monounsaturated fat in the avocado because it's good fats that will help your cardio to function better. I want to add a little bit more of green apple. And of course, you know that the blender will not smooth this well without adding any liquid. And I love using coconut water. This coconut water is excellent. It's sugar-free. If you have access to fresh coconut water, go ahead and use your coconut water, or however, you can just throw in some regular water, a little bit of water, just to give it the paste consistency. Now we are going to blend the first juice, the first smoothie. First smoothie, and I'm gonna turn it around in this jar right here. So we have the first one. Moving on to number second smoothie. Yeah, I'm gonna use the same thing. So I wanna add some more coconut water, and I have a little piece of ginger. Ginger tastes very excellent with spinach. So here it's some washed up spinach, baby spinach. And in here it's some kale. These are all loaded with powerful antioxidants. Green all the way. The thing you want to add in this one is celery. And I also want to add half banana to give it the taste. Let's put this over here. And I'm going to throw in, and we're going to blend the second smoothie. So the second smoothie is ready. Let's turn it up here. Ooh, yummy. So you have your two amazing, so your awesome two different kinds of green smoothies is here. You will never get sick. You will never battle with weight loss if you incorporate this into your daily meals and cut down your sugar intakes and your carbohydrates. You will get to your journey. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. And remember, please leave me your thoughts and your comments. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Bye for now. Bye.